Hi class, this is the story of Spotty the Snake, and this is one of my very favorite stories because Spotty works at a school just like Mrs. Stokes. And Spotty also has the letter S just like Stokes. So I really like Spotty. Here we go. Slipping and sliding in the sand on the way to snake singing school was Spotty the Snake. She taught snakes how to sing. She was spotted, you see her little spots, and she had stripes. She also had these great letter S's on her body, and she was always smiling. Spotty always stood on a very special stool when it was time for singing. She held a stick in her tail that all the singing snakes could see. She would swing and sweep her stick as the snakes sang like this. Are you ready? Look at the S's. Think of their sound. Can you try that, singing like a snake? Good job. You sang really well. Spotty always wore a very special necklace, just like Mrs. Stokes wears a special necklace. Only Spotty's necklace was shaped like a star. She had a silver star that she always wore around her neck on a string. Everyone knew that she was a special singer because she wore that special silver star. One day, while Spotty was on her stool swinging her stick, she stretched a little too far and accidentally did a somersault, falling off the stool. What a scramble as all the snakes came to see if she was okay. Spotty was fine, but she had a problem. Her silver star string broke. Spotty felt sick and sad, so she slithered away to her home, which was a submarine that was sunk at the seaside. There she stayed, too sad to come back to singing school. The other snakes, though, were so sad because they missed Spotty. They felt very sorry for their special singing teacher. They planned a secret surprise for her. They went to the store and they looked for stars. They found a beautiful silver star, just like the one that had broken. It cost $6. For another dollar, they could get a silk string to hang it from. They needed, let's figure it out, they needed $6 plus one more dollar. That's $7. So, the snakes decided to hold a school sale to earn the money. They went home and collected things that they had saved, and they all started with the letter S. They collected spools, spoons, stamps, string, socks, seashells, sponges, and stones. They called it a super school sale. So they made a whole bunch of signs to let people know about their super school sale. After the sale, they counted their money. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They had $7. They had enough. They slid to the star store and bought the silver star and the silk string. They wrapped up the gift in a spotted sock. The snakes slipped over to the submarine. How surprised Spotty was when the snakes gave her the sock. She was so happy she started to sing. She put the new silver star on and thanked the snakes and sang this song. Special, special silver star, stay with me just where you are. Thanks to all my singing friends, now I'll teach you once again. Special, special silver star, Stay with me just where you are. Ooh, now that's the end of our story. I want you to think back and try to retell the story. Make sure you use the names for the characters and where they were, which was the setting, and if there were any problems and solutions, which is how they fixed the problem.